Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to learn more formatting option in Excel. Last classes we have covered up to journal part. This portion we have covered last classes. So today we'll learn format as table, cell style, insert, delete and format. But before that, we'll learn few shortcuts that help to select our table. So first option is select all. The moment I press Ctrl A single time, then it going to select this work area. The moment I press 2 times, then it is going to select everything. So here, this is two times. This is one time. Please don't get confused. We need to press Ctrl A 2 times. Then our entire table is going to select. Next is a select row. For selecting row, we need to use Shift and a space that will select entire row. For selecting column, we need to use Control space. So column A is getting selected. If I use suppose I selecting that much row option up to A13 to E13. Now we are going to use Control space. That means our entire A to E column is getting selected. So next is a format as table. So format as table is this work area is going to convert into table the moment I press Ctrl T. There is one more shortcut option. Let's try. Now we are going to change this. Let's try another option. Alt H T. There is a numerous table style is getting generated. Now we'll pick few of them. So learning the same things. So this format as table, the moment the working area converted into table, so one table option has been generated. The table name has been created, slicer has been generated. We can export the data. We can use the header row. We can remove it. Banded row, we can remove it. First column, we can highlight. Last column, we can highlight accordingly. So one table design has been generated and we can do accordingly our need. We'll discuss this later in more details way. Now focus on the Home tab. Let me undo the changes so we can so up to here we had cleared. So next option is style option. Style option is nothing but the cell style going to change. The formula is Alt H J. So here few options we can. I'm just scrolling this and preview is showing there. We can use according to our need. Output, calculation, warning text, explanatory, input, linked cell, notes, comma, currency. So we can choose according to our need. Next option is the most crucial option is these three: insert, delete and format. So first of all, Alt H I, there is just 4 insert option. One is insert cell, second is insert row, third is insert column, S is insert sheet. So let's try each and every options. Suppose I want to insert a cell here. Alt, let me write something so it would be easy to understand. I have written name. So I want to insert a cell. Alt H I, write down row, column. So it's getting shifted to the right. Next option is Alt H I R. So one row has been generated. Alt H I C. One column has been created. Next option is Alt H I S. So one more sheet has been opened. Next option is, let's learn about the delete. Alt H D. Similarly, there are 4 insert options, 4 delete options is there. So I'll just explain you. Delete cell means I want to delete. Suppose you want to delete some cell. So we can select the cell and delete those things. I'm showing you a few examples. Suppose I'm going to delete this selected option. Alt H D D. So it's getting deleted. So let's learn about the column also. Alt H D C. So one column has been deleted. Next option is, let's delete one row. The delete row I want to delete. Alt H D R. So that row has been deleted. Similarly, we can delete sheet also. So that inserted sheet has been deleted. The most crucial thing is format. Will not explain by the shortcut key, will explain by the graphical user interface. That will help to understand each and everything. Next is a row height. I want to increase the row height. Here 15. Suppose I want to keep it 20. So row height has been increased. Next is auto fit row height. As per the cell structure, suppose I increase this cell size up to 20. Then I went to format and row height. It is showing this. Let's not discuss this. Let's increase this size. So this is the bit upward. So we'll go format and auto fit row height. It is automatically get adjusted. Next option is suppose I want to column width. Here is 10.44. Let's increase to 16. So it's getting increased. E has been increased. Next, similarly, we'll go to auto fit column width. The moment I click this button, first of all, we need to select this, then auto fit column width. So entire column has been automatically adjusted. Next is default width. We can increase the width through this. We can increase the height according to this. So this is a format things, and it play very vital role to adjust the data how you want to look present it. Next option is visibility. Visibility means we can change the hide unhide row, so we can use it accordingly. Next is a organized sheet. Let's rename this sheet as a day 5. Next, format, move or sheet up. Let's day 5, it's already at the end. Let's move it to the first. Now move or copy sheet, just click this. Now create a copy, or let's move to the end. Automatically it's come to the end. Last option, we're going to discuss tab color only. Suppose I want to make it color. Let's make it red. So today we are going to conclude this session, and for more video, keep subscribing and follow us, our YouTube channel, Excel Academy. Thanks for watching this.